Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Logitech mouse I have M325s, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up buttons on this mouse. So to set up buttons on this mouse, first of course you should download and install Logitech Options application. How to do that? So to do that, first you should open Logitech website on your in your web browser. So just enter Logitech.com. Here you will find software. Click on software tab. Scroll bit down. It will ask you. So it will propose you to install more with Option Plus. Click Discover, and here you have Logitech Options Plus. Download for Windows or for Mac OS if you want, or for Mac OS. As you can see here we have version for Windows and for Mac. So then click on it, install it, go through the installation process, and then you will find your Logitech Option application in your start menu. Open this up, open Logitech Options, and here you will have your mouse. Click on it, and now we can set it up. For example, clicking on the back button, you can set up action for back button. Back it's when you pressing it on this way, or on this way when you pressing your wheel on the right. Okay. So for example, when I click back, I don't know, for example, so here you can set it up for your needs, right? For example, open ChatGPT, enable AI prompt builder. No, thank you, man. For example, now when I click on left button, ChatGPT application will be open, but I have no ChatGPT application. As you can see, you need to enable AI prompt builder to use this action. Okay, I will enable it. Okay, and as you can see, yeah, when I click left, so ChatGPT is opening. It's a bit strange, but it's opening. Okay, okay, and the same for example, middle button. For me, you can set up middle button too. You can set up to undo, for example, or to back, because back button is not assigned. Alright, so you can set it up. You can set up a scrolling wheel. You can invert it or use it in standard mode. You can enable smooth scrolling. The smooth scrolling web pages glide across your screen smoothly, as you can see in this way. As you can see now, now scrolling smoothly, but while it's disabled, it's scrolling not smooth. Okay, so cool. Here we have standard settings. We can check for updates, we can check receiver information, and we can swap left and right buttons. So in this way we can set up our mouse for left-handed people. For example, now right button is the left button. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video. Bye, see you.